If you guys want a good blush under 300 rupees, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is me, Priya Sharma. I'm a makeup enthusiast and make makeup related videos on YouTube. So Swiss Beauty is a brand which never stops giving us viral products, and they're again here with another viral product. And abhi to maine holographic eyeliners review kare the, and we are back again with a Swiss Beauty product. So today I'm reviewing for you guys the Swiss Beauty's Cream It Up blush, which has shea butter in it. So firstly, I want to appreciate the brand for the price point. I love the price point. 300 rupees, 299 for a blush is amazing. It is literally amazing. I mean, anyone can give it a try. Kitna mehenga nahi hai, we can just try it out. So this is what the product looks like. It comes in a cardboard packaging. So this product retails for 299 rupees and we get 10 ml of product in it. And if you're wondering that we are getting less quantity, no, we are getting an appropriate good quantity, because the K Beauty's cream blush has 10 ml of product and that product retails for somewhere around 700 to 800 rupees, and we get this little baby over here in just 299, and on this also we get offers and discounts and everything. So the price and the quantity is amazing. Now moving on to the next thing. So this product has 5 shades and all the shades are absolutely stunning. So let me quickly open mine and show you. So this is what the tube looks like. So the outer packaging has a very beautiful color and the color matches to the product inside. So that is good because we can just easily pick our product from all the products that we have. So this has 5 stunning shades. They have amazing shade range. The colors are very, very beautiful. So it comes in a squeezy tube kind of a packaging. The cap is made of plastic. This is what the product looks like. The color is absolutely beautiful and it exactly matches the tube. So let me swatch this for you guys. So it has a very nice creamy, like a thin cream sort of a texture, and it is like spreading very, very nicely and evenly. It's not like it is very thick that you can't spread it. The color also looks very beautiful. It is a very beautiful peachish and slightly pinkish sort of a color. So this is what it looks like. It has a slight glow to it. So now that I've swatched the product, let's quickly move to the application part and then we'll talk about this product in detail. So let's start with the application. If you guys are wondering how my entire look has changed, the application clip of this video got lost, so I have to shoot it again. So I'm shooting it again now. So on this side, I'll use a sponge to apply the blush, and on this side, I'll use a brush. So let's quickly get started. So for applying it with a blender, I'm taking a little bit on the back of my hand. This much is enough, I guess. So I have a red base. I haven't powdered my face, and on that, I will just dot the blush and then blend it with a blender. So I'm done with the first application and I feel it's too light. So let's build it up. So I'm taking a little bit more, putting some dots and again blending it. So this is after the third application. This is what the blush looks like. And I think we should go once more. So I have applied the product 3 times on my cheek with the blender, because we need to know how much product is being used up with both the tools. So this is what the blush looks like after applying it for 3 times. So this is quite buildable. You've seen I've built it up very nicely, and yeah, this is what it looks like with the beauty blender. And now let's apply it with the brush, and for brush I know we need a little amount, because brush के साथ product बहुत कम use होता है. So I'm taking just a tiny dot and we'll take more if required. So again, using the dotting method. So this is what it looks like after first application. So I think we need to build this up a little bit more. So this is what it looks like after the second application. So this is what it looks like after applying it with a brush. So with the brush, we always get more pigmentation with less product, and beauty blender always requires more. But if you're a beginner and you have no clue how to apply a cream blush, always go with the beauty blender, because beauty blender is very forgiving and a brush generally gives a lot of coverage and it can get at times very hard to just handle that. So if you're a beginner, you can always go with the sponge. If you're a pro or at least know how to handle it, use a brush. Let me quickly show this to you in the natural lighting. This is what it looks like in the natural sunlight, and it looks very beautiful. The blush looks very nice. It gives slightly shiny feel, but in some time it will turn matte. So I love how natural this looks, and it has blended very beautifully into my skin, so no complaints. So let's start with the claims that the company have made. So it says that it is a highly pigmented formula, lightweight and long lasting. This is vegan, cruelty free, and that's what's written on this. So starting with the packaging. So packaging is very nice. It is made of plastic and not glass or some kind of jar. So there is no issue of it breaking. You can easily put it in your pouch or make a kit or wherever you want and carry this very easily. So now talking about the product. So the texture of this is very creamy. It is very smooth. You can take your good time to just blend it out, and it doesn't set very, very quickly. Like you have to be very quick with it. You can just take your time and just blend it nicely, evenly, slowly. The finish of this product is soft matte. It's not very dewy. It's not very, very matte. It has a nice texture to it. So the coverage of this is, I will say, light to medium, and you can build it up, but yeah, it stays from light to medium only. So let's talk about the blendability of this product. So it blends very nicely, very evenly. I had no issues with the blending of this product. Just you need to take care of the beauty tool. I think it works better with a brush rather than a beauty blender somehow, because a beauty blender picks up a lot of this product and you get very light pigmentation even though you build it up a lot. I took a good amount on my hand and started blending it using a blender, but somehow I was left with no product and there was also no pigment on my cheek. And now moving on to the brush side. So with the brush, the application was smooth and easy, and I also used very less product and got a very nice coverage and pigmentation with the brush. So this product is nicely pigmented. It has lightweight to it, like it is not heavy at all. You feel like you have nothing on your face. So yeah, it is lightweight. Now talking about the third point, that if it is long lasting. So I don't feel that this is long lasting because it hasn't been a lot of time. Like it has been maybe 45 minutes since I've applied this product, and abhi se mujhe lag raha that it has slightly faded away, and I've not done anything, literally nothing. I'm just shooting. So I will not agree to the claim that this is long lasting. So the long lastingness of this is the main issue with this product. I love this product overall. Pigmentation is nice. We can see it on the hand. हम इसको build कर सकते हैं as much as we want, but you know, अगर हम product लगाएं वो last भी ना करे, that's a bummer. To make it long lasting, you have to apply it, put a powder on it, and then put a powder blush on it. In that way, you can, you know, use it. But long lastingness इसकी थोड़ी bummer है. I do not feel that will last for more than like 4 hours or so. उसके बाद तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही fade away हो जाएगा. It looks very beautiful on the face, even though इसकी lasting power बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. Still, I think affordable में मैंने इतना अच्छा blush अभी तक use नहीं करा. I have the Swiss Beauty's Craze वाला blush also. That is a cream formulation. वो बहुत पैची था. I didn't like it at all. उसकी पिगमेंटेशन भी अच्छी नहीं थी, बहुत जल्दी ड्राई आउट होता था फेस पे. सो ओवरऑल वो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था. एंड दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. यूज इट एज अ office wear daily blush. Bare skin पे भी it looks absolutely gorgeous. I've used it on my bare skin as well. Foundation के ऊपर भी it looks very beautiful. I love the finish of this. This works like a high-end product. Only the drawback is that lasting power is less. But if that is not your concern, आप ज़्यादा भी लगा लोगे, आप रीअप्लाई भी कर सकते हो ब्लश को, then this is a very nice option. I will not talk about the pros and cons because एक ही con है इसका, and that is the staying power. Otherwise पूरा प्रोडक्ट ग्रीन फ्लैग है, पूरा प्रो है ये. देयर आर नो कॉन्स इन दिस प्रोडक्ट एक्सेप्ट फॉर द लॉन्ग लास्टिंगनेस ऑफ दिस. दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. But if you ask me, I will buy other shades of this also, and I will also continue to use this. I have a lot of high-end blushes, but affordable में मेरे पास कोई भी नहीं था, and I will use this from now on because this shade, I'm talking about this particular shade, has just won my heart. And I think the blending and finish of this also looks very good. It has slight glowiness to it. It is not very, very dewy, but yeah, the dewiness is there and it looks very beautiful. So the bottom line of this review is that this is a very nice product. Kudos to Swiss Beauty for this product. अगर ये थोड़ा long lasting भी बना देता तो it would have been the best affordable blush in the market. बस long lasting की वजह से I am cutting 1.5 marks out of this, so I gave it a good 8.5. This is an amazing blush. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys like the review and I hope you guys like the blush too, because I am literally loving it. So if you guys don't know, I post my updated views. Like अगर हम product बहुत long time तक use करते हैं, हमारे views change होते रहते हैं. But एक बार वीडियो अपलोड हो जाए हम उसे चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So I always update my views in the comments section. I pin those comments. So do check out the comments also. And if you like the product, you end up buying the product, you want to give me some suggestions or anything like that, the comment section down below is all yours. So please write your suggestions, your views, anything in the comment section below, and I reply to all the comments in my comment section. So yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.